and DevOps, my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about ThinBackup Plugin. Previously, I discussed about ThinBackup Plugin, why it is important to take the backup. Now, in this session, I will show you clearly how we can use ThinBackup Plugin after installation. How to use this ThinBackup Plugin. First that, I will go to this official website. You will get more information about ThinBackup Plugin. Now what will I do? I will do ThinBackup plugin. Going to the manage Jenkins. Here available plugins, and you can search in available plugins ThinBackup plugin. I already installed ThinBackup. I already installed. For that reason, it does not show here. So I will go to install plugin and search ThinBackup. So this is the plugin we have to install. Once if you install this plugin, you will go to manage Jenkins. Here you will get this option ThinBackup plugin. After installation only you will get this option. So once if you will open, here we have only two options are available. One is backup now and another is restore. So we have to configure this ThinBackup plugin to get the backup. For that I am going to system. If you scroll down, so you will get this option ThinBackup plugin. So here I'll give you the directory path where you have to take the backup. So I given this path value Jenkins. It is not necessary to given this path. You can give any path, but here I mentioned this path only. So I given this directory name, and you will give the cron tab. So what time we have to take the backup in every day, every month or weekly or yearly. You can give particular date or month or date, so you can it will take automatically backup. So for that, if you click this question mark, so you will get this information. So if you click this Wikipedia, so how to use cron tab, everything it has mentioned. You can read clearly and you can do the following steps. So for that, so I will give this date and month and everything. So I do not give anything. So if you want to more details, you will enable these check marks. Then you can save and come out. Once done everything, I am going to directly ThinBackup plugin. Uh, so manage Jenkins and click ThinBackup. Only we will get these two options. So now you can click backup now. So we will need to identify how to utilize this ThinBackup. Go to the Jenkins. So here I have two jobs are available. So I am deleting one job intentionally for demo only. After that, I want to get back this job what I deleted. So for that, what will I do? So I will go to the directly ThinBackup plugin and restore option. Already backup is taken. So for that reason, so this backup takes more time initially, but here I already taken. For that reason, I'm getting this all this information. So I selected anything. So restore it. So once the restore, go to the Jenkins. So this job will not appear. For that, you can read. You need to restart the Jenkins. Jenkins restart. Once restart successfully, then you can refresh it. and go to the user and password. You can provide the credentials, so you will get the recovery job. So this is the way of use of ThinBackup plugin, and it will take the backup also. What I mentioned, the path, that is where live Jenkins. So here it takes backup. So what I mentioned, the name of directory. So you will go and check that backup where I get this information. Systems. Here I given the directory name. That directory name only here it is created backup. So if you log in this directory, you will get all the information about backup. What backup we have to take it. If you go and check any directory, so I'm going in this directory, so you can go and check. So you'll get all the information users. So likewise, everything it has. If you go and check another directory, the users, you will get this is user.xml and this is admin. So if you log in this admin, this is config.xml. So what backup we have to mention in this enable, so you will get all the information here in the check mark. What options you have to mention, everything that details come in that particular directory. Thanks for watching.